Hey guys, SNJ and Preps here. I'm over at my girlfriend's parents' house, keeping an eye on it, keeping an eye on the animals. Her dad's in the hospital again. He's having some issues from his job. But they live they're way back off the main road, off on a little secondary road. And they got a pretty good long driveway here, so over the last couple of years I've helped them set some cameras up on the house and the property. But the one drawback was this driveway. It's pretty old, it's not a huge long driveway, but it's long enough. And with the trees and everything, it's always hard to see vehicles on it down this way. So what I did was I found a driveway alarm on Amazon. It's called an eMacros. And they still have it on there. I think it's a different generation now, probably third or fourth. I think this was the second. Wireless driveway alarm. In the house you have a little puck. It has 4 zones on it, so you can hook 3 more sensors up. Now the sensor is, it has a battery, and it's charged by the sun. And what I like about it is you really don't notice it when you come down the driveway here. There it is, little solar panels on top. And it gets enough light down here in the morning to keep it charged up when all the trees are out full and all that. And it does a good job. I mean, when I'm up there in the house, I know somebody's pulled down through here. I'm actually thinking about putting another one up here. Yeah, I think we will do another one up here towards the top. Because you do get people that stop and everything and all that. Got a beautiful piece of property here. But that's what we're looking at, and I'm going to walk on up here and get the mill for them. But yeah, it's a little piece of security that you can have. You don't even have to have it across your driveway. You can have it across a piece of your property. I think it has a half-mile range, 500 feet on some of them, others up to a half-mile. And this always stays connected to the house. It does have a phone app on it, but you have to have the phone app active to, you always have to have it on. It just doesn't alert you that you can flip it on, like the Ring camera or other cameras like that. But yeah, you see, you come walking down through here, you don't notice it. You don't notice if you're walking or if you're driving. That's just a good little thing to have. All right, guys. SNJ and Preps out. Take care.